Ask clarifying questions. When studying a complex topic or concept, ask ChatGPT to clarify any confusing points. For example, if you're unsure about a specific term or concept, ask for a simplified explanation or examples to solidify your understanding. Request examples and practice questions. ChatGPT can provide examples and practice questions related to various subjects. If you're studying math, ask for sample problems to solve or request practice questions in a specific topic to test your knowledge. Seek explanations. If you're struggling with a particular subject or topic, ask ChatGPT to provide a detailed explanation. It can break down concepts step by step, offer different perspectives, or provide additional resources for further reading. Discuss case studies or real-life scenarios. For subjects like business, law, or psychology, engage ChatGPT in discussing case studies or real-life scenarios. This can help you apply theoretical knowledge to practical situations and deepen your understanding. Use ChatGPT for language learning. If you're learning a new language, ChatGPT can help with vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structure. Ask for translations, practice forming sentences, or request assistance with specific language rules. Quiz and test prep. Prepare for quizzes or tests by using ChatGPT as a study partner. Ask it to create practice questions, quiz you on specific topics, or review key concepts with you. Explore study resources. ChatGPT can recommend study materials, textbooks, online courses, or reputable websites related to your subject of interest. Ask for suggestions on valuable resources to supplement your learning. Remember, while ChatGPT can provide guidance and information, it's important to cross-reference its responses with trusted sources and consult with qualified teachers or experts when needed. Use ChatGPT as a complementary tool to support your learning journey and enhance your understanding of various subjects. Once again, thanks for watching.